Hello friends! Today I will teach you how to make chicken and vegetable Thai curry. This is a quick and an easy way to make it and takes only 15 minutes to cook. You can find many other ways to make Thai curry, but this is the way I usually make when I don't have much time in hand and want to have meals with easily available ingredients. This is going to be really good. So let's get started. I'm going to use ready-made green curry paste. These works great for making Thai curry real quick and nice. They are easily available in the Asian section of most grocery stores. I have used World Food green curry paste here. You can also use Thai Kitchen, which is also good, which I usually use. Handful of chopped basil leaves, 1 can of Thai coconut milk, 250 to 300 grams of chicken boneless thighs cut into medium-sized pieces. I'm using your half cup of light cream. You can also use heavy whipping cream. The vegetables I'm using today is whatever is available. Half cup of carrots cut into round shape, which is optional. Half cup of broccoli florets. Half cup of mushroom chopped. 1 cup of eggplants cut into cubes. Half cup of ridge gourd cut into cubes, which is optional. 1 cup of red bell peppers. Also, the other optional vegetables which you can use is like the zucchini or the summer squash. Salt to taste and sugar. You can also use brown sugar. In a hot pan, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of white oil. After that, I'm going to add the green curry paste into the oil and I'm going to fry it well for 3 minutes. Here I am actually using half bottle of the curry paste. Depending on the spice level you want, this can get really spicy. I would suggest you use 1 to 2 tablespoons to start with and adding up based on what you want, depending on the choice of your spice level. Now I'm going to add the chicken and going to cook it until it turns white in color. Now I'm adding all the vegetables into the chicken and I'm going to mix this well so that the curry paste gets into the vegetables well, and I'm going to cover the pan with a lid and cook this for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. Now I'm adding salt as per taste and also 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I'm adding the coconut milk and also the cream, and I'm going to cook this for 4 minutes in medium flame. Now I'm adding the basil leaves into the curry and I'm going to cook this for another 3 minutes in medium flame so that the flavors of the basil leaves gets infused into the curry. So here is it, the delicious chicken and vegetable Thai curry to get served with steamed white rice. Give this a try and I'm sure you will love it. Comment below to let me know how was it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Show Me's World if you haven't yet. See you soon. Bye bye.